in this video. Bitcoin is right now forming an ascending triangle, and on top of that, we are also going to give you an update with the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. Before we start this video, take note guys na meron tayong free Gabb's Crypto 101 playlist. So if you want to learn trading cryptocurrencies for free, you can actually check out this free Crypto 101 playlist that you can find in the description down below. Or you can actually type sa Google search bar or actually sa YouTube search bar na Gabb's Crypto 101. And nilalabas yung ating buong Crypto 101 playlist na makikita mo dito kung paano ba natin ginagamit yung mga iba't ibang indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, trading patterns, and many more. And all of this are available in the description down below. But anyway, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba, sa ating previous analysis, what we are monitoring was this next ascending triangle forming within the Bitcoin price action. So as you can see, if you are going to open this within the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are seeing a resistance number 1, a second resistance, and then another resistance which is a third resistance. And then you can see na meron tayong support forming dito kay Bitcoin price. Let's try to open this support. As you can see, meron tayong support na nag-form dito, support number 1 and support number 2. So right now, we are now actually potentially forming an ascending triangle. And traditionally, this is a bullish pattern to the upside. But right now, we have to monitor both bullish and bearish scenario kasi right now, we are on a downtrend. So with that being said, ano ba magiging targets nitong ascending triangle? So to get our targets, we are just going to get the height. Then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. As you can see, if we are going to break or if we are going to get buy volume upon this bullish breakout, then we can target around the $25,000 US. But as long as we are not yet seeing any breakout, as long as we are not yet seeing any candle closes with volume, then this is not confirmed. And in terms of a bearish movement, if let's say this breaks to the downside, then what we can do is we can actually just get the same height, then lagyan natin siya sa bearish scenario. In that case, our lowest possible point would be around the $16,000 US. So, in ating both bullish and bearish scenario, and take note, we are not going to give any biases for now kasi look at this. We are still indecisive pa din regarding to where is this going to lead. So right now, we are just going to wait this one out. If ever na kung saan tayo makita tayong breakout, then yun yung ating ina-trades. Kasi if let's say nakita tayo ng bullish breakout with buy volume, of course, we are going to open a long position. But of course, if we are going to see this bearish breakout, then of course, we are going to open a short position. So either way, we are going to make money either both bullish and bearish scenario. But when it comes to the very short term within the hourly, we still don't have any indicators for now. So as you can see, Bitcoin is relatively just moving sideways dito for the past few hours. So, I'm just going to wait this one out. Kung walang matitrade, then pasintabi lang muna and then let's just wait this one out lang muna. And that's Bitcoin for the very short term. Now, let's dive in for the longer time frame, especially within the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve kasi ang dami ko na nakuha requests regarding updates for this one. And very timely din kasi of course, it's the start of the month so we can actually now give you an update. And tomorrow, we are also going to have another weekly candle close. And at least kahit paano alam natin kung saan ba tayo ngayon papunta within the Bitcoin price action. So as you can see, Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve is a data model now which we have been following for the past year. And diba, logarithmic growth curve is a data model which uses the historical data. And then we just use the historical data in predicting the potential market cycle top, market cycle bottom, as well as the halfway point using the historical data. So as you can see, after using the historical data, we plotted this logarithmic growth curve. And as you can see right now, we are actually within the lowest point of our logarithmic growth curve. So let's try to open the logarithmic growth curve first. So as you can see, right now, we are actually at the lower level ng ating support band ng logarithmic growth curve. And as you can see, this lower level is actually one of the best area for us to enter actually. Kasi look at this. The only times na we have been in this area for the past few years are actually itong mga area lang. Actually, these times lang. Number 1, noong consolidation between 2011 up until the 2013. As you can see, that was one of the best time to enter. Kasi if you did enter, then as you can see, you would have potentially gained around ilang percent ba siya? That would be around to 27,000% actually. And then ito, yung 2015 up until 2017, we were at that similar area na sobrang tagal. If you were also entering within that area, you can actually see na yung inyong potential gains is around 10,000%. But of course, as you can see, as time goes by, yung ating returns ay nagdi-diminish. Ibig sabihin nun, the more na tumatagal yung ating market cycle, mas umuunti yung ating makukuha potential gains. Nagde-decline yung ating potential gains from 27,000%, ngayon nagiging 10,000%. As you can see, paunti siya ng paunti, but as much as possible, na-take advantage natin yung mga potential gains natin within these time frames. And going back, as you can see, diba yun yung sinabi kong area kanina, yung lower level band. Look at this. Pumasok din tayo sa similar lower level band dito kay Bitcoin within this 2020 March crash. And look at that. That was also one of the best time to enter. And we have also seen a big gain of around ilang percent siya. So if you have entered during that area, you would have received around 1,400% of potential profits. And then right now, we are also at that similar area wherein we are at that still, we are within that lower level band pa din. So right now, we are still at a buying opportunity. And ano ba yung nagiging cost ng pagbagsak nito? So in the past few videos, ilang beses ko na sinasabi na it's all because of the global market recession. And it's not just crypto na bagsak. Actually, buong market talaga, the traditional market is actually down. PSE, the whole market in general is actually down. So if I were you, if iniisip mo na, hala, bagsak na bagsak sa crypto, tapos sasabihin mo na walang-wala na yung crypto market kasi bagsak na siya ngayon dahil hindi tayo nakita ng malaking gains for now. Well, don't worry kasi it's not just crypto market yung bagsak. If you're going to look at the whole market, the global market, we are at a global recession. And as you can see, those times na bumagsak or nagkaroon ng malaking crash and recession yung ating stock market or as well as yung traditional market na nagkaroon ng malaking crash such as noong 2018, 2020, look at this. Sa Bitcoin, ganun din nangyari na apektuhan si Bitcoin noong 2018 as well as 2020. So as you can see, everything is just following the same area lang. And in fact, it's not just Bitcoin yung pinakang best time to buy. Kung ako tatanungin, maganda din bumili ng iba't ibang stocks kasi look at this. Napakabagsak ng buong market ngayon. As you can see, these are buying opportunities for the long term, especially if you are an investor. This is actually one of the best time to invest not only in crypto, but as well as the whole market in general kasi we are at a global recession. And history is telling us that whenever na we are at a global recession, that is one of the best time to invest and to enter for the long term. As you can see, in 2018, if you had invested during that market crash, you would have already gained massive profits na rin. Same goes with 2020, nung COVID crash, malaki din yung potential gains. And then right now, we are also at that similar recession ng 2022. This is actually an investment opportunity. So if I were you, I would just look at the whole market as a whole. Now we are at a recession and the whole market is at a massive buying opportunity. So despite of all the FVD na nakita mo around the crypto market, take this opportunity to be resilient. And of course, take this opportunity to make money and build your financial power by taking advantage of this global recession. At least kahit paano, we can leverage our financial knowledge for our future financial power. But when it comes to buying, ano ba yung mga best strategy dito? So, yung lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo guys, never buy all in one go. As much as possible, always follow DCA strategy. And what is DCA strategy? Basically, enter ka sa market sa iba't ibang level and hatiin mo yung pera mo. So, if let's say meron kang 10,000, hatiin mo yung pera mo into different buying levels. If let's say meron kang 10,000, hatiin mo siya into 3 buying levels. So, if let's say yung unang 3,000 mo, ipang-buy mo na, bili ka na ngayon. Yung isang 3,000, ibabay mo siya if ever na mag-touch tayo within the $16,000 area. Or if let's say bumagsak palalo si Bitcoin, at least kahit papano, meron ka pang natitirang pera pangbili ng dip. Kasi yun yung purpose ng ating DCA strategy. Hatiin natin yung pera at yun yung ipapabili natin whenever na bumabagsak yung ating crypto market. Kasi even if we have data model to predict the Bitcoin bottom, at least kahit papano meron pa rin tayong proper risk management strategy whenever na we are in this type of market. But anyway, if let's say you want to buy Bitcoin and then if you want to stake that for the long term, you are in for the investment for the long term, you can actually stake your coins because if you are going to stake your coins, you are going to get interest with your coins. And the best place to do that is in crypto.com because if you are going to stake in crypto.com, you can actually get this beautiful metal Visa card. If you are going to stake their native token, which is CRO, And if you are going to stake dito kay crypto.com, you can actually earn up to 14.5 interest per annum if you are going to stake with crypto.com. And as usual, if you want to claim up to $50 bonus with crypto.com, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. But anyway, ayun muna update natin for the time being. Hopefully, nabigyan kayo ng idea and update on where are we within the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.